What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be multiple episodes. It's going to be the installation of the bags on my Camry. It's going to be the bag installation. It's going to be the trunk setup. We're going to be redoing the whole trunk and basically making it look good. So you definitely don't want to miss this one. All right, so here is my trunk. It's a little messy now. It has everything, so I can show you guys more or less. But I currently have two 12s, Pioneers, very simple subs. I have the box right behind it. It has a false wall, and the amp is sitting right above there. And I have the floor with the same as I usually do the diamonds. It's about 2 years old, 2 years and a half, and it's held up pretty well. The only wrinkle it has is right there. But then again, I carry sometimes the stroller. I use my trunk. It's not like, oh, I can't touch it. No, I use it. Basically, we're gonna redo this completely, but I think we're gonna keep this false wall. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the management. This is G1. We're gonna do grinds management on the car along with the grinds bags, airbags. We're gonna be putting this, I don't have the stand yet either. We're more or less gonna be putting it like this. And I just got the fittings today. We're gonna put all those new fittings on the manifold. So once I put that on a stand, the lines, I'm gonna make them go down below. We're gonna eliminate the spare wheel, because once it's on bags, I'm gonna end up getting wheels for it finally, and the spare wheel won't do any good. So we're gonna eliminate the spare wheel. We're gonna run everything under there. We're gonna have the spare wheel well on the plywood, and then we're gonna wrap it in a smooth leather just so it can look nice. Anything I have to put on there is gonna go on there. These walls, I'm conflicted. I don't know what to do yet. I kind of want to keep them. I thought about leaving it like this and closing it off, and maybe put a speaker here. Same thing on this side, but I don't know. I really don't know. You know, I can close it off equally around there, and it'll be closed off basically. I know I was thinking about putting LED lights in the back, op 7. The interior lights, I was planning to do it here. So yeah, let's see how the lights will end up looking. Not too sure about it yet, but the other part will be the tank. So the plan is the tank will be mounted more or less where it's at. Let me move this around a little bit. It'll be mounted like this more or less. I'll probably get rid of this already. It's not doing any good there. Mounted right there, and the plan is half, most likely this half, bottom half, will be under the floor, and just the top will be exposed. So that way, all you see is the top. You don't see the connections, the holes, none of that stuff. And then that's where the bottom spare wheel well will come in handy. How to brace it so it doesn't move around. And then along with that, the lines, like I said, are there. We're going to throw the lines down here, and we're going to use the bulk, I think it's called bulkhead cup fitting, which is this one. It'll go through and it'll hold each individual line into the floor and down to wherever I needed to go. The compressor, not sure I'm gonna run it down there or I'm gonna put it on the side, but that's what I'm thinking more or less. We're gonna work in that area. I'm still waiting for the bags. I'm still waiting for the compressor. These shipping times have giving me a hard time. But so basically we're gonna work on this area first. Not sure if I want to upgrade the speakers yet. One thing at a time. I want to see what I do with the sides. So then first of all, we're gonna do a new floor. So next video we're gonna start with the demolition, you could say, of this whole thing, the disassembly of everything. And we're gonna take out the speaker. We're gonna make the new floor. We're gonna mark this because we want exactly the same setup as false wall and floor, but we're gonna make the holes for all this here. So I had to make a brand new floor for this, and we'll start with that. Hopefully the stand will be here so we can mount the manifold onto that, and then we'll run the lines down there already, might as well. And we'll try to see what we could do with the tank. So that's just a little brief update on what we're gonna do. And bro, I can't wait to be on airbags. I'm going again, like I said, with G1 by Grinds, and they're the next competition for airlift. They're already other competition for airlift. Stickers, they're Bluetooth, it has Bluetooth controlled also, so you get the app, you can control the system by the app. And yeah, so hopefully for the moment it'll be bagged, it'll be dumped on the stocks. I'll probably get them powder coated. And yeah, I really can't wait for it to be on airbags. That's just basically what I need, and then the wheels, and then that's it. On the outside I think will be complete. Oh, and the mirror, I have a new video that's gonna come out with installing a sequential one that's like all this and then the black cap, but that's another video coming up. I'm also thinking about wrapping the car like a Nardo gray or Satan gray, brushed silver, something along those lines. I'm kind of over the white already, but let's see how that comes out. Let's focus on the trunk, and the trunk light turned off. There you go. And so yeah, so basically that's what we're gonna end up doing. And next video we'll start with the demolition, the disassembly of the trunk for the new trunk floor. All right, like I said, next video we're gonna do the disassembly of the whole trunk. We're gonna make the new floor, we're gonna make the cutouts for the tank. Hopefully the stand is here so we can do the manifold mount and then run the lines down. Yeah, that's probably the next one, but that has to do with taking out the speakers from the false wall, taking out the amp and the box, relocating it for the moment, while we do all this, you know, while it gets installed and all that, so there's no interference with the speakers and the box, and it's heavy and all that stuff. So we'll have to do that step by step. But like I said, I'm actually doing a giveaway right now on my IG. There's 3 rules you gotta follow, and you're entered automatically to win a VIP job with me. Obviously it's not saying I'm gonna buy you airbags, but a job from me. So if you need the trunk setup done and you're the winner, you can get that. I have starlights. If you're out of the country, not out of the country but another state, and I can get it done, I can't find a way to get it done for you, I can send you the starlight kit. You could handle putting it on. If you need me to do your calipers, you need me to do a brake job, whatever the winner decides, that's what we'll go with. There's certain restrictions that apply, but it's pretty much open. I had 2 winners when I first hit 100 subscribers. Now we're at 875, I believe. So 125 from 1,000. I'm doing another giveaway. So it's gonna be 2 giveaways back to back. So hopefully, sign up, enter, and you'll be considered into the giveaway. And hopefully you win. Who knows? You don't know if you don't try. So you just gotta follow those 3 rules. So get to it. IG, IG post is up, so you can take a look at the rules and go do the rules. I just said that like 3 times. But whoa. Anyways, I just want to thank all you guys, because all the support from day one has been from all my platforms, the Facebook groups I'm in, the transit group, the Camry group, my IG, my Facebook, all my YouTube subscribers. I want to thank all you guys, because without you guys, none of this is possible, you know. All these videos I take out is for you guys, and only you guys, you know, to help you guys see how to do it, and hopefully, and along the way I'm learning too, so you know, it's a win-win for both of us. But like I said, thank you guys for all the support, and stay tuned. Part 2 is coming next week.